What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. Hope everybody's doing okay. Sorry I haven't been posting a whole lot. Got a lot of stuff going on right now, which I think most of you know. But I wanted to do an update, a long update. I haven't reported back on what I'm driving and what's going on with my vehicle status in a long time. So I thought I would just go ahead and report that. I uploaded a little video of this car one day this week of me heading to work, seeing if anybody could guess what it might be, because it's a little unusual. You don't see too many of these. I mean, they're not super rare or anything. It's just, this is kind of unlike me. But I was charmed. And what it is a 2012 6-speed Nissan Versa. Yes, that's right. The little 5-door hatchback. It is a brilliant little car. I bought one of these brand new in 2010, the same color combination. Oh, I'm still trying to learn my 6th gear. I bought one of these brand new in 2010. Same color combination, silver with black interior. It was an S model with the optional cruise control, which this one doesn't have, and optional keyless entry, which this one doesn't have. It was like a $500 option. And I don't know if this car just did not have the option, or if the option wasn't available with a 6-speed. That's what I'm not real sure about. I need to read up on that and find out, because I'm not real sure. You could have gotten cruise control with the 6-speed manual back then. But this one's a 2012, so it's 2 years newer, but it is absolutely no different than my 2010. Not at all. Only thing different is somebody has put an aftermarket Pioneer radio in. And it will stream Bluetooth and do all that fun stuff. Play your music and all that cool stuff. But yeah, it's a real clean little car. I picked it up at the auction right up here, the auction where that tractor trailer, where you see that sign, that billboard. That's the auction I go to and film most of my cars. And today, Friday, it was auction day, but I didn't have anything I was interested in. But I bought it 2 Fridays ago. I'd gone down the night before and just was poking around, looking at some cars, test driving, doing the thing, and I ran across this car. It was a Hyundai trade-in, and when I drove it around the little test track, I just smiled and tickled to death with this little 6-speed manual. It is a hoot to drive, and it is so peppy. And this guy's just he's gonna pull out and just get killed, I guess. So peppy, and just runs like a champ. Everything works on it. Cold air, ice cold air. It is a 3-owner Versa. I was a little surprised because it looked like it might have been a 1-owner just by the condition it was in. But it's actually a 3-owner Versa out of South Carolina. Stayed in South Carolina and then moved into Georgia a few years ago. And then traded in on a new Hyundai. Only has 124,000 miles, which is not bad. Low miles. There is no way I would have bought a CVT Nissan, but with this little 6-speed, I thought, what the hell, I'll give it a try. What can I lose? I mean, $2,000. That's what this car cost me. $2,000. because nobody bids on manual transmission cars anymore. Nobody does, unless it's, you know, a Mustang GT or a, you know, some type of sports car, where someone would definitely be looking for a manual option, but not, you know, in an economy car like this. Yeah, nobody wants a 6-speed. Nobody wants to change gears. But I do, and this thing is a lot of fun. The 6th gear, which I'm in now, is not like super tall, as you can see. It's fairly freeway friendly, but it's not like a super tall, long gear. 80 miles an hour is about 3,900 RPM. 85 miles an hour is like right around 4 to 41, somewhere in there. So it's still, you know, it's still pretty low. The ratios are still pretty low and tight. But guys, such a fun car to drive. I'll do a little walk around up here when I get to the house here in just a minute. So here she is, sexy little devil. She looks pretty good, doesn't she, to be a little dorky car. No dents, no real scratches or anything. I mean, I've got some wheel covers that are doing some peeling. Man, it's got some of the best tires I've ever experienced. These are called a Firestone, what are they called? A Weather Grip. And these things, I want you to see the tread pattern on these tires. Now, I've driven this thing on the freeway in the rain, and when I say no hydroplaning, I mean none. No hydroplaning. Look at that. Man, you won't talk about aggressive tire pattern. I mean, all these sipes, great for rain, deep grooves and channels. Now, it does make for little, you know, the ride's not as great as it could be, but they're awesome. Also, of course, what kind of car would I have if I didn't have defective bumpers? If I didn't have defective bumpers, I wouldn't be driving a car right now. All my cars have to have defective bumpers. There's the LS, Mom pulling up. I got to get you guys caught up on it. It's been a while. But I got to do the headlight treatment. I got to do that. They're looking a little rough. I got to do a wash and a polish. I hadn't even washed it. But here's the little 1.8, 122 horsepower, I think. I think 122 or 120, maybe 128. Can't remember. Great little motor. I mean, so dependable. Nothing fancy. No direct injection. None of that crap. I mean, just basic Nissan engine that's been around for 1,000 years. No timing belt. I mean, just super reliable. But yeah, my ugly part is, of course, my bumper. And I've got to work on that. I haven't had a chance to. That's something the previous owner did. I'm going to try and get it on there a little better. And over here too, and see if I can make it look just a little nicer. But yeah, that's her. There she is. 2012 Nissan Versa hatchback with the 6-speed manual. I'm going to drive it a while. I sold the Lincoln MKZ. It was starting to give me some funny transmission issues, so I unloaded it quick, and I managed to escape going under with it, so I was thankful for that. And I've got to get you guys updated on let's see. Oh, these things too. I wanted to show you this. Let's see. Oh, got all my stuff in here. These things have the biggest, like, leg room wise. I mean, I'm almost 6'3", y'all. And I mean, Hello. Headroom. Huge headroom. I gotta put my rearview mirror up. It broke and fell off. But yeah, these things have great leg room in the back seat. That's one of the things I really liked when I had bought my 2010, because our kids were small then. They were 3 and 9. So this was actually a pretty good little family car to haul them around in. Now, it was my car, not my wife. She had a big old Expedition at the time, but yeah, pretty cool. And what I'll have to update you guys also next is my wife's new ride. So look for that video next. Anyway, that's it. 2012 Nissan Versa 6-speed. We'll see you next time. Peace.